Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In the following minutes, I will introduce you to the BIM Maturity tool, which was developed within the BIM-SPEED project. So, what is the tool about? The BIM Maturity tool aims to guide stakeholders regarding BIM implementation in renovation projects on the basis of their respective level of BIM maturity. This is achieved through an online tool that guides the stakeholders to BIM use cases that are tailored to their respective level of BIM maturity. And who can use the tool? Well, the BIM Maturity tool can be used by any stakeholders involved in renovation projects who are interested in approaching the renovation with BIM-based methodologies. I will now show you how to use the tool. This is divided into 4 main topics. To begin, you need to do 3 steps. Firstly, you enter general information on the stakeholder. The second step is the company part. It is concerned with gathering information through the BIM Maturity Questionnaire. The third step is the project part. It captures information on the project. After processing this input, the results are presented. You receive a BIM Maturity Index according to the enterprise information and proposals for appropriate BIM use cases according to the project information. So, let's get started. Before you can begin, you need to create an account for the online tool. You can do this on the web page. After confirming your email address, you can log in with your credentials. Now you can start with step 1 and enter general company information. Please provide some information like your company name, your activity fields, address, the type of stakeholder, and so on. Once you have saved your company information, you can move on to step 2 and take a BIM maturity scan via the questionnaire. It is divided into 4 main topics with individual subchapters. The first topic is about policies of your organization. The second is about the people of your organization. The third topic queries processes. And the last topic, technology within your organization. Please answer the questions according to your company. Here's only an example shown. You can cancel the questionnaire at any time or continue later. When you have finished, you can view the first part of the results. This result is your BIM Maturity Index, and it is listed per topic and also per aspect, which represent the subchapters. You also receive a radar chart that allows you to easily compare your different maturity indices. Back at the overview, you can always take a new scan in case some details have changed. Now you can continue with step 3 and create a new project. To do this, enter some details such as the name and address, your role in the project, the scale and renovation scope. Once you have saved a new project, you can have a look at the suggestions for appropriate use cases. But before that, you need to answer the question about the goals of the renovation, in this case, for example, reducing energy consumption. Then you have to select the intended renovation processes, for example, energy performance prediction. The presented use case will be tailored to your project based on the information you have provided. Here, for example, we have the use case assessing building energy performance with simulated data. You receive information about the goal, the description, the phases to be applied, the preconditions and methods to be used to accomplish this use case. Also, another radar chart is presented to give you a simple and quick overview of your organization's maturity level and the necessary maturity indices for this specific use case. You can change your declaration of the use case questions to view other use cases and their descriptions. Back at the project overview, you have the possibilities to edit or delete the saved project and to create new projects. So, to sum up, we have entered our information within the steps 1, 2, and 3. As results, we are presented with our level of BIM maturity and we have received proposals for appropriate BIM use cases. What have we achieved through the use of the online tool? Firstly, we determined our feasibility of using BIM. Secondly, we defined the scope of BIM implementation. In the end, the online tool facilitates the implementation of BIM in renovation projects. Thank you for watching this video.